Hi there. Today we have one little bit of an issue with the gas pedal. The gas pedal in the back broke. I'll show you how to remove it and how to put a new one in. And just a piece of advice too about what kind of part to get. This is the part. And the reason why I'm showing you the Benz sign, please make sure to get a genuine Benz part. And I'll show you in a moment why. But here's how to remove the gas pedal. Don't lose this clip, because that one doesn't come with a pedal. You take this off, and you see this is a pretty bit abused. SDA. I have to just pull this down, and I'll show you the back of it. It's not going to come out with me using just one hand. So the reason why this doesn't come off all that easy is, as you might see, there is sort of like a T-looking protrusion there out of the gas pedal end there. Not the pedal, but the stick back there. And that goes only in here in one way. Let me see if I can show you this better. See, it's a little odd shape. So this is kind of like a twist lock. And now, this is the reason why they break. Because here, this piece back here is so thin, and that's where it needs to flex. You take the typical made with pride in China parts, they are most likely going to break right back there where the old one broke, and you'll be back in there in a heartbeat. So let's put this bad boy back in. And yes, I know it's dirty and all, but oh, there we go. Ah. And once again, need to use both hands. So I got it started, and again, that's the only reason why it's the kind of like a twist lock. Once it's above and beyond it, you can twist it. Locks in place, and you can put it back down in here. You put this little tab back in. All right, got it started, and now I just push it in, and works like a charm again. All right, now cleaning it up, putting the carpet back in, and make sure the carpet is not gonna go and cover the. You can barely see it back there. The kickdown switch. I've had that where the carpet blocked the pedal hitting it correctly, and it wouldn't shift in kickdown mode. And that's all there is to it. The old one is gonna go into waste. Have fun.